this. I should.
Nice.
Pelt armor schematic. I want my increase my tech. Okay. Alright, I need to go back to camp and repair myself.
One more.
I should have upgraded. I should have been using Pal Souls and upgraded my Wumpo.
I've not been using any Pal Souls at all.
I do on my electric bird.
Yeah, I probably should do mine because I am sure I'm gonna be using him as my main. Right, unless you got better stats than when he's. Oh, I need to get mass assist. Mass assist after my bird. Yeah.
Masochist.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Masochist.
Mass assist.
Massive cyst.
It's a massive cyst that needs to be removed from my bird.
Ooh, I don't have any refined ingots. Shit.
Wow.
I need ore.
I'm stuck. Hey, at least I can see my bird now. It's not bugged like he was. I caught that one with blues. I really catch this one. Oh, he's green. Got him. Hey, that got me leveled. Come on. Hello. Oh, wow. Ah! Get back in the ball. A Russian egg. Kind of looks like a Russian egg. Oops. All right. I already got 15 in health. Should I keep putting points in health? I probably shouldn't have done any attack. I don't really need attack. Your pals do that for you. I don't really need more stamina. I feel like my weight's okay. I'll just keep doing health. Keeps me from dying. Do-do-do-do. Everything's still good.